Hello and welcome. I'm Parisa Shelton and this is your 10-minute Qigong for when you're feeling down. Don't feel blue. Well, the first thing that you can do if you're feeling down, sad, or less than optimal is literally turning the corners of the mouth upwards into a smile. And the acronym for smile, S-M-I-L-E, stands for, ready? Starting my internal love engine. Yes, so we're gonna start by pulling down heavens 3 times, reaching the arms out wide to the side. And then let the hands come in front of the body as we start to tune in, smiling at ourselves. And literally when we smile, there's a chemical change in the brain that happens. Turn that frown upside down. And one more time, nice deep breath, inhale. And a long, slow breath, exhale. Feel that wave washing over you. The next practice is called shaking the tree. It's a little bit silly, but we're gonna try it anyways. We're gonna start at the fingertips, ripple up and shake it off. As if you could take any problems, challenges, and obstacles and just let it ripple down into the ground. And again, deep breath in and shake it off. Ooh, clear that. Might feel a little heat brewing there. One time, pull down heavens, inhale. And exhale. Oh, starting to feel better already. For the liver cleansing exercise, we're gonna bring our hands, one hand above the other, like you're holding a ball, and then one hand presses forward, the other elbow pulls back. Squeeze the ball in the center midline, exhale, press, widen the eyes, glance at the fingernails, breathe in through the center, and exhale and press. Connecting with the liver and the wood element, the right side of the visceral cavity, and the emotional component of anger, frustration, or resentment. When I say that, notice the first thing that comes to mind. And as you exhale, imagine as if that frustration or anger, irritation can dissipate and leave the cells and tissues of the body. And in its place, we draw forth kindness and compassion, creativity, growth, and expansion. That's it. Get a nice big press into the center, and one more time, just like that, pull into the chest, push down with the hands as you push up through the crown of the head, slight lift of the pelvic floor. One time, pull down heavens, inhale. And exhale, feel that wave of relaxation. When we change our focus, notice how that makes you feel. We're going to do the heart healing sound, so we can place our hands on our heart. The sound of ha, H-A, 3 times out loud, then 3 times in a whisper, and then 3 times silently in the mind's ear. So take a nice deep breath, inhale. Adding the sound all together. And again, nice deep breath in. Third time. Then 3 times in a whisper, So imagine any stress or strife, any tension or irritation, frustration, anything bringing you down. Imagine that situation, circumstance, place, person, leaving the cells and tissues of the body. Try that 3 times silently in the mind's ear. Hear the sound silently. You can imagine a doorway at the front of the heart that opens, and then allow for a surge of love and gratitude to fill in your big, beautiful heart, healing and transforming the cells and tissues of the body. Flutter the eyes open, pull down heavens one time. Inhale, nice deep breath. And exhale. Feel that wave of relaxation. And next we're going to move into the lung cleansing exercise as we float the arms up, chest height, and expand the arms out wide, right to left, like the wings of a bird. Exhale and empty out. Inhale, expand, nice deep breath. Filling the lungs with air, those two oval balloons here, working with the emotions of sadness or disappointment, the experience of loss or grief will get stuck in our lung energy and affect our immune system, the pores on the skin. There's an energetic bubble called our Wei Qi that resides off of the body. And so now with this particular cleansing exercise, we're strengthening and fortifying our Wei Qi, our force field, to draw forth courage and inspiration. Acceptance. How can I bring more acceptance into my life? One of the things you can tell yourself is that I choose to have acceptance over all situations. Inhale, expand. And exhale, empty out a little bit more. Inhale, nice deep breath. And exhale, letting go. Try that 2 more times. Deep breath in and a long breath out. And again. Pulling that good energy in towards the center midline as you push down with the hands, slightly push up through the top of the head. Pull down heavens one time. Inhale, nice deep breath. And exhale, long, slow breath out. And next we're going to move into the lung cleansing exercise, placing the hands on the chest. The sound is connecting with the lungs. Inhale, nice deep breath 3 times out loud. And again. Whisper, whisper. And as you exhale and making the healing sound for the lungs, just imagine any sadness or disappointment, loss or grief dissipating, leaving the cells and tissues of the body. And in its place, we draw forth inspiration, courage, strength, mental, emotional agility to handle situations as they come. And 3 times silently in the mind's ear. Flutter the eyes open, smile, and let's pull down heavens 3 times. Take a nice deep breath in, and as you exhale, focusing on the front of the body, from your forehead down to your feet. Try that again, nice deep breath in, and as you exhale, this time feeling the back of the body, from your head down to your heels. And one more time, inhaling up. And exhale, feel the very center core of your whole body and your whole being. And we're going to end this video with the glass of water technique. So grab a glass of water, fill it halfway, and we're going to take this half-filled glass of water, and as we drink it down, tell yourself, this is all I need to do to solve the problem I have in mind. So you're going to drink the water. This is all I need to do to solve the problem I have in mind. This is all I need to do to solve the problem I have in mind. This is all I need to do to solve the problem I have in mind. refreshing. Flutter the eyes. Wow, feeling better with that glass of water, knowing that the solutions are coming to us. Let's bring our hands to a prayer position in between the eyebrows for right thought. And then drawing the hands to the lips for right speech. We'll bring our hands to our hearts for right action. We are the change that we wish to see. Thank you so much for tuning in, your time and energy. It means the world to us. May you be at peace, and namaste.